I think I did. You see?
Okay, here. I'm gonna need it too. Before we get. Okay. This room is 12 by 17. That's including the bay window. And so they told us to get about 12 boxes. We figured about 11. We had a few pieces left over from a previous room, from our dining room. But this is how much we actually have left over. These other pieces we kept down here because we can use them as starter pieces in the next room. We're gonna do our family room where we sit and watch TV eventually, and so we are gonna keep these. So we used less than 11 boxes. This is pretty much majority of our scrap is just, little pieces and dust. And this room is pretty much almost completed. So now